Hello and welcome to Anewala channel. This is the new viral Rokea wall-mounted mobile portable AC. Let's see what's inside. The AC is compact and handy. It's easy to install and comes with some accessories. The accessories are for installation. There's a small cable attached to it, a remote control, and some accessories like hooks. Let's learn how to use it. There are two ways to use this: by the remote and manually. For manual use, let's take a closer look. Switch on the AC's on warm function, which is for heating purposes, good for winters. By clicking the same button, switch, we will get cold function on. Also, it is not as cold, but it gives cooling. One more function is timer, which is for used when you want to get AC off after a specific time. Click the same button for increasing the time. Thanks for watching.